we're making a pen out of this acrylic blank that you can buy at some stores and online. First we have to cut it. Well, you mark it and then you cut it. And then after you got it cut, you take it to the drill press and you cut a hole in it and put super glue, a brass tube in it so you can put it on the lathe. And then you cut it out and put all the pieces together. So here we are at the saw, and we're gonna cut it into the right size so it fits. Pieces. I've been saving all the extra pieces from the pen to make one like composition pen, I guess. So you have to sand the little brass tubes so that the super glue sticks on it better. Our cameraman here had a very smart idea to put it in here and then we sand it. I am spraying the little brass bearings with the activator for your super glue, and then we put the super glue in the acrylic and then we push them in and it sticks, and so it doesn't fall apart on the lathe. So we're gonna put this on here so it's gonna make it flush with the brass on both sides so that's easier to when we're on the lathe. So when we're putting the pen on, we have these little things called bushings that tell us how big we need, like how small we need to make the pen. And then we tighten this so it doesn't move. Safety third, kids. Maybe like. So we gotta make it fast. So we just finished the pens and then we're gonna assemble it. And then we put this in on this side. And then we take it off and then we have to measure it with the ink. Okay, here we have the finished product of the pen, and it's pretty easy to do. It just takes a long time.
I'd like to let it be known that I too am wearing safety glasses. This is ground control to camera 1. Are you still recording? Yes, you are. I'm gonna go in now.